Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about mid-range flagships of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. This phone has created quite a buzz for bringing premium features at an affordable price, and after spending a good amount of time with it, I can confidently say, Samsung has seriously raised the bar this time. First things first, the design. The Galaxy A55 5G feels nothing short of premium. Samsung has used an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, giving it a flagship-level look and feel. The matte finish on the back panel gives it a classy touch while resisting fingerprints beautifully. It's slim, elegant, and fits perfectly in the hand, weighing just around 200 grams. Not too heavy, not too light, just right. The phone comes in stunning colors like ice blue, awesome navy, lemon yellow, and lilac, each one adding to its modern aesthetic. Moving to the display, Samsung once again proves why they dominate this department. The A55 features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Watching content on YouTube or Netflix is a visual treat. Colors are punchy, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are excellent even under direct sunlight. For gamers, the 120Hz refresh rate makes every swipe, scroll, and tap feel incredibly fluid. Now, let's talk about the performance, the heart of this beast. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset built on the 4nm architecture, paired with the new Xclipse 530 GPU based on AMD RDNA 2 technology. This means not only improved performance but also console-like graphics for gaming. Whether you're playing Genshin Impact, PUBG, or Call of Duty Mobile, the phone handles it all smoothly with no noticeable frame drops or heating issues. Multitasking is a breeze with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card up to 1TB. Coming to the camera system, Samsung has done a stellar job here. The Galaxy A55 5G packs a triple camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro shooter. The 50MP sensor captures detailed shots with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Portrait shots have that natural bokeh effect with sharp subject separation. The 12MP ultra-wide camera performs impressively without distortion at the edges, and the macro lens is surprisingly fun to use for close-up shots. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that delivers bright, sharp, and social media-ready selfies every time. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 30fps, and with OIS and ICE combined, videos come out super stable and crisp. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy A55 5G shines. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, streaming, gaming, photography, and calls. It supports 25W fast charging, which isn't the fastest in the world but still charges the phone from 0 to 100% in about 70 minutes. What's more impressive is the power efficiency of the Exynos 1480 chip, which ensures minimal battery drain during standby or light use. Software-wise, you're getting Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1 right out of the box. The interface is clean, smooth, and packed with customization options. Samsung has also promised 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, which is a big win for long-term users. The phone also supports Samsung Knox security, ensuring your personal data stays protected. The Galaxy A55 5G also brings stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP67 water and dust resistance, and of course, 5G connectivity for lightning fast downloads and streaming. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G 2025 is an absolute all-rounder. It delivers a near-flagship experience with its premium design, stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive cameras, all at a mid-range price. For users who want Samsung quality without spending a fortune on the S series, this phone is a dream come true. If you're planning to buy a smartphone in 2025 that balances style, power, and reliability, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is undoubtedly one of the best options you can go for. It's the perfect mix of premium and practical. And trust me, this one's going to be a massive hit